And for a better learning experience, please download our app available for Android and iOS. Structure that you will like that it will be the distance of the first specifically in the come down. Other points that you have to remember: GD is abdominally enlarged. That means in that case, analyzing these CT scan images with time, you will realize this anatomy is very simple. And if there is any point which we have missed, do share in the comment section on YouTube or on the chat option in the app, and we will. Thank you very much, friends. I hope we were able to add some new insight to your knowledge with your friends. And